are 3 oil pot watering systems. Basically, they're all the same structure. 2 terracotta pots glued together, plug all the holes and the seams, and add a watering system. And then you can just take that concept and you can see where in here the watering system, the funnels are sticking out, but the other part of the pot is completely buried underground. And on very hot days, all the water that's put in there is used primarily by the plant. And that to me is the #1 reason why I like to use oil pots. Okay, I'm taking this oil pot and filling it with water from this water that I poured earlier to get to the same temperature as outside temperature, or it's not room temperature obviously. And we're going to compare the temperature of the pot now and later when this pot is saturated with water. So right now, saying about 96 degrees. 96 degrees. Now it's about 97, 98. It's going up in temperature now. 98 degrees. Okay? Okay. This is a great demonstration of how great these oil pots cool the soil. So this oil pot has water in it, and you could tell that it's quite wet on the outside. And the highest temperature today is 110. Now this meat thermometer currently says 110. I am going to put it on this part of the pot down here that's wet, and you will see it temperature come down. Now when I put the water in here this morning, the temperature was around 100, and what's amazing is it's still retained that temperature, and it looks like it's going to go down to about 98 right now, which is that 2 degrees that you get in terms of the swamp cooler effect. And now you can see it even coming down to almost 90 degrees. So outside, 110, underground, this pot is 90 degrees. And that's only if you use just the normal water. In the hot summer where it's 110 or above each day, I could actually pour ice water down here and make it even cooler. So there is the proof of how great this oil pot works in terms of cooling the soil. Okay, the third good reason why oil pots are advantageous is that when you fill it up with dirt, you can fill it up all the way to the top. And that's important because the oil pot itself takes up space in there, and people, ask, hey, isn't that oil pot taking a lot of space in there? But that extra area on top here is actually more than the space the oil pot takes. So it actually looks better when you have it all the way to the top. Also, if you have a monsoon, the water won't soak in there as much all that excess water could flow from the outside. But that's reason number 3 why the oil pot watering system is advantageous.